welcome back to my channel. And this dumb fly keep flying on me. Anyways, y'all, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time here, I'm Shakera. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as y'all can see, I'm back on US soil. I don't really like that for me because I deserve to be on vacation 25/8. Move. Anyways, yeah, I'm back home, y'all. You know, back to business, back to motherfreaking reality. Today's Saturday, guys. Honestly, I don't have anything going on, like absolutely nothing, because I came back. I see people with monkeypox. Listen, I fumbled with COVID. I ain't finna play with no type of monkeypox. Like, that shit looks disgusting. Them pics that I've been seeing, I just want to put my head in a freaking blender. Like, I would legit die. So I don't know. I don't think these couple of vlogs are gonna be lit. I ain't finna be outside. I ain't trying to catch nothing on this face. No, baby. And speaking of face, we have sponsorship in today's video, so let me just go ahead and grab these products. So y'all, today's video is sponsored by OurSkincare, and I'm like super excited because I've been testing it out and I'm honestly in love. Because I know a lot of y'all tend to compliment my face, but honestly, it's not really the best. I have the most driest skin, like Sahara Desert type of dry. So basically, OurSkincare is a personalized skincare for your skin. Like, that's it. Self-explanatory. Like, it's made for you, not your friend, not your mama, not your cousin, but for you. So basically, you have to take a quiz. So, you know, they ask you your name, your age, all of that, just the basic stuff. And then they ask about your environment, like if it's polluted, humid, what is your skin type, what is your diet like. They just ask questions that other skincare line don't ask. So this is a box. It's super sleek and neat, and inside is products curated personally for me. So I kind of put them back, you know, I was kind of using them or whatever. So inside the box you get a pamphlet with morning and night routine, and it just basically shows you the steps. And they sent me 5 products. So I have a cleanser, a day cream, night cream, this is a serum, and this is a face mask. I haven't yet used the face mask because I wanted to try it on camera with you guys. So that's all the products that I got. So I already brushed my teeth. I haven't done skincare just yet, so that's what we're about to go do right now. And then after that, I'm just gonna make me an oat smoothie. I was gonna do iced coffee, but to be honest, y'all, I'm not really fond of iced coffee, and I'm not gonna do it just because the girlies are doing it. I'm mostly a hot coffee type of girl, so I guess I'm gonna stick with that. And I'm gonna prepare Madison lunch in the meantime. I think I'm gonna make her soup, even though it's freaking hot outside, but she haven't had soup in a while, so I'm gonna make her some vegetable soup. And I have a bunch of laundry to do because it's been 2 weeks since I've been back from my vacation, and it's a pile of clothes that I need to fold. So let me stop all the chatting and get into the skincare. If y'all hear any crying in the background, that's because I'm watching my godson. So yeah, I'm being a mom of 2 today, and I can't wait to get my lashes done, y'all. This thing is not even charged, but it's gonna get the job done. And I also forgot to mention that you could choose whether you want your products scented, you want all natural, vegan, non-vegan. Like, OurSkincare is honestly the real deal, respectfully. You know, when you go to Sephora, they only ask you what's your skin type, dry, oily, or combination. But OurSkincare gets down to the nitty-gritty, okay? They care about what you eat, they care about your environment, they care about if you're a stressing girl. And I'm not just saying that because they're sponsoring today's video. And anything else you see me bring on my channel for promotion, I genuinely like it. If I don't like it, you will not see it here. And that's just that, okay? Period. So now I'm going in with the face mask, and it says to leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. So I just got my little applicator brush. I look scary AF. So let me set this timer for 20 minutes. So 20 minutes is up, y'all, and it says to use a damp rag to wipe it off. And Wendy, if y'all watch this, my teeth are ragged. So I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, but I was getting a tingly feeling, but it's nothing super unbearable or annoying. Just wanted to let y'all know that, because honesty is key. Okay, so like I said, it wasn't unbearable, and I have sensitive skin, and normally when I try products and it like starts to feel that way, under here gets red, but it didn't in this case, so I love that for me. So the next thing I'm gonna do is add my day cream, and this is my first ever cream that has SPF. Like, that's one thing that I need to incorporate in my skincare. I be lacking. And I love that Your got me. This also has no smell, because that's the option that I went with. And let me just say this, don't be shopping for skincare products looking for scents, because scents don't always mean effective. And I think the reason why I never really got into sunscreen is because I just didn't like that white cast that I be seeing people with. But this one, it's not really giving that. So now I'm gonna add my hydration serum, because y'all know good sis over here have Sahara Desert type of skin. And we trying to keep moisturized. It's been 20-30 minutes since I finished, and like, hello, I just need to apply some lip products. I'm actually gonna check right now to see if they carry lip scrubs and stuff, because lately I've been so obsessed with my lips. But yeah, like, the skin is glowing, and y'all should definitely go shop Your Skincare. So let me just take my vitamins and probiotics, because you don't just want to take care of the exterior, you want to take care of the interior also. Remember that.
You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight up the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blood in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck.
Hey guys, so today's Monday, y'all, and I'm headed to Madison's appointment. I also have to stop at Zara, because I went to Zara Friday, but I didn't get anything wait, what am I saying? I went to Zara Friday and I got a couple items, like 6 items, and only one could fit, and that's a pair of heels. I hate when people see me turn on my indicator and they want to speed up. Like, bitch, where the fuck you going? Y'all, it's not even midday yet, and Zara line is like long as hell. Why? This is why I don't do fitting rooms. I just take up stuff, go home, try them, and bring them back if they don't fit, because ain't nobody got time for that. I did return the things and ended up picking up more stuff. Hopefully they fit, because at this point they're gonna be tired to see my face. And I totally forgot that I had a pedicure appointment at 1 o'clock. It's like minutes after 2, so I'm about to head to that now.
I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with 2 girls at one time, and they 10. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind.
Hey guys, good morning. So I'm just rolling out of bed, like literally, and y'all can see the crust in my damn eye. So I'm about to brush my teeth and get my day started. I don't think I'm gonna do skincare, because I literally got my lashes done yesterday. Update y'all on my Smiley piercing. I got it like a month ago, or maybe a little over a month, but honestly I don't really like it. When she first pierced it, it was centered, but now like it just catch up over on the right side. Like, I think I'm gonna go back to her and have her recenter it or just go to somebody else, because for $80 it needs to give what it's supposed to. So yeah, that's my only problem, to be honest. Like, the piercing is cute. I know for a fact, like, when I burst out in laughter, people probably looking at me like, no sis, that's not it. So I really do need to get it fixed, like ASAP.
Could I get a strawberry acai grande, please? Lemonade. That's it. Okay, thank you so much. No, thank you. You too.
So guys, today's Saturday and it's basically a cleaning day for me, and yes, I'm sitting in Madison's bed. She honestly don't sleep in this bed ever. Like, this thing right here was a waste of money. From birth until she's 2 years old now, she haven't been in this thing consistently. So it's like my little storage. I didn't even show you guys what I got from Zara that day, but I went to Victoria's Secret and like everything is still in the damn bag. I got a bra because I didn't even know they were having a sale, and I had to get something because y'all know Victoria's Secret bras be costing a damn arm and fucking leg. Like, no ma'am. And I don't know if I told you guys, but I did return the clothes that couldn't fit, and I got some new stuff. I didn't get anything from a sale rack, so these are basically new. And I got this basic black bodysuit, and I already have this in a pink and white color, and y'all, I just love the quality. So the next item that I got is this businessy type of green top. Like, I freaking love this, and I want like a white bell foot dress pants. I got another green top. This is like a bodysuit, and I've seen this bodysuit on Shein and Fashion Nova, but Zara have this one in green. And the items that I returned was actually this bodysuit. I had gotten a white and a black, but they were too small. And then when I went back to exchange, they didn't have the white, but they definitely did have the black. And for Madison, I got her these like floral trousers. They're like super cute. And I got her this ribbed yellow top, and it's saying it's for a 7-year-old, but I honestly think it could fit her. I also got her a pair of slippers, and also in my damn Zara bag, I totally forgot that I had bought this. I got this straw off Amazon, and it's just a portable glass straw, as if I don't own glass straws already. But the ones that I have don't really have a travel case, so I had to get it. And y'all, it's freaking pink. And I know if Ariella watching this, I know she'll get it. I know she'll get it. But yeah, I need to put this in my pocketbook right now because I totally forgot that I bought it. Oh, and one more thing. Let me go grab the heels that I was telling you guys about that I got from Zara. So these are the heels, and they're like super stinking cute. That's everything that your girl got. And y'all, since I came back from vacation, I haven't been to Target, and I'm so proud of myself, even though I need to go because I need a lot of stuff that I need to replenish. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys. And like I said, I don't think I'm gonna be going outside anytime soon because I'm not trying to catch monkeypox, not at all. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. They say opposites exactly get mad as I know whoever slept on you, getting mad is what I can blow. Take on you, take advantage, I ain't see a good girl.